Welcome back to my channel. Wishing you all happy returns on your investments and trades. Today in this video, let us decode, let us understand, deep dive into the price action of three wonderful stocks that are poised for at least 50% from the current market price in the short to mid term, that is about 2 to 3 months, that is about 8 to 12 weeks of time. Let's decode multi-time frame analysis. Let's understand step by step how to analyze these stocks. How am I saying that these stocks have a potential of up to 50% and where could be the potential entry points for these stocks? Let's get into this. The first stock in our list is Galaxy Surfactants. My dear friends, I would like to emphasize on a point. In whichever stock that you are looking for technical analysis for a positional trade perspective, when I say positional trade, I expect a swing trade from about 8 to 12 weeks of time with up to 50 to 100% in targets. Look for, apart from technical analysis, look for the stage of the stock. Where has it just, is it just moving above its IPO price, or it has moved good, given a good swing above the IPO price and then retracing and then moving forward? All of these actually adds value in setting targets. If you try to analyze this stocks from the same perspective, stock has been launched in February 2018, and after which the stock has moved down below its IPO price, okay, and then has again touched its IPO price, and then again the stock has reacted to the resistance, came down, and then again given a breakout finally in the year of November 2020. So after which, once the swing high is taken off, the IPO swing high is taken off after a good base for about 2 years, the stock has given a very good rally. It's about 100% of returns from this point in time. It's about, yes, exactly, it's about 97% of returns in about 1 year time frame. All right. So after which the stock has constantly been moving down. It is consolidating in the form of a flag. Do you see that? Can you observe that there is a flag pattern here in this place? This is the pole of the flag. And don't you think this is a flag, part of the flag? Okay, so now what is the current price action of this stock? This has been consolidating since uh, September 2021 till about June 2024. That's almost, up to 3 years of consolidation in the form of flag and pull. And after which, in the month of July, the stock has given a very good, nice breakout in monthly, and then it has paused. It has reacted to the supply levels at 300 and 3,200. Can you see that? How do you analyze? How do you get mark the supply levels here? Can you see that the stock has reacted to this level multiple times? Can you see that the stock has got hit multiple times at this level? At the same level, the stock has experienced resistance again in the month of July 2024, after which the stock has paused again. The buyers have come in from this level. This is nothing but a breakout and then a retest of the same levels, isn't it? The flag and pole has been broken out and it has retested this particular level. So after which now the stock is marching upwards. Now let's understand from the weekly time frame perspective where the stock is. It's a very good price action, my dear friends. Do you see that the stock is compressed? It has formed a good narrow compression before it started moving up. The stock is volatile, has been volatile, and it has been compressing after reacting to the 3,200 supply levels. Can you see? Look at the supply levels. Each time the stock hit this level, it has moved down. It has moved down again here. Again, from 3,200 levels, it has moved down and has been volatile. After which, a couple of weeks ago the stock has broken out of the compression, again waited at the resistance level, and yesterday in the daily time frame, if you see, it is very very evident the stock has given a good breakout, retest, and a good bounce back above this level. So overall, this stock is nothing but it's a flag and pole breakout in weekly or in monthly as well, you can consider. So if you measure the length of the flag, let me measure the length of the flag. If you measure the length of the flag, okay, and set the targets right from the breakout levels, it stands almost at the level of 5,000 400 rupees in targets. So that is about 67 percentage from the current market price. I am not saying that the stock might move immediately 67 percentage. No, it might take about 8 to 12 weeks at least in time. All right. So Galaxy Surfactants, I think the analysis is very clear. The stock is moving out of a very good flag and pole breakout, and not only it's a flag and pole breakout, what you need to observe is the stock is actually fresh in nature. The stock has just started moving up. Actually, the stock has broken out of its IPO price, given a good retracement in the form of flag and pole, and now is moving upside. All right, and also we can add one more confluence for this analysis, that it is retracing from the fib zero point 0.5 level. All right, so 50 percentage of the swing has been retraced and the stock has started moving out. So it's a very clear, there is no confusion in the price action. It's a very clear price action. So any dip in the stock will be to accumulate for an upside target of up to 60 to 70 percentage in the short to mid term time frame. All right, so the entries according to me can be planned even from the current market price, or it can be planned at the previous support level, which is at 3200 level, 3200 rupees. Okay, so let's move on to the next stock in our list. It is Ami Organics. Let's decode the price action of this stock. This is the monthly time frame of the stock, my dear friends. What do you see that? Here, do you see that the stock has been launched in September 2021, and then thereafter the stock has moved down again, got hit at the same resistance level, and then again moved down. Can you see this? All right. So again, the stock has hit the same level, 1360 odd levels. And again, do you see that the stock has reacted to the resistance zone? All right. And what is one more point that you need to note here? Every low, it's actually forming a nice volatility contraction pattern. All the lows are actually being bought into. All right. And this month, the stock has already started moving above its IPO base price range. Okay. So now let's move on to the weekly time frame, my dear friends. So in the weekly time frame, if you mark the swing highs and swing lows, can you see that it's very evident? It has formed a nice rounding bottom here, okay, and a nice narrow flag consolidation. The flag consolidation existed from about 18th June 2024 and has broken out on 26th August 2024 week. All right, and after which the stock is steadily moving upside. So AMI Organics as well, because it's a VCP, when we measure targets, it is definitely at least the range of, you know the level of consolidation. Okay, so if you keep this upside, yes, it coincides, it is at the target of 2073 rupees, which is nothing but, it is from the current market price, it's a 35%, 35 to 37 percentage of targets. So actually the entries could have been planned at this flag breakout level of 1370 or 90 levels. All right, so if you break it into daily, in daily, how you could have planned your entries is that, can you observe that this flag has been broken out here and has been waiting, it has reacted to the resistance level at 1377 and then given a good candle close here. This could have been a possible entry level with a good risk reward ratio of up to 3.49%. All right, so now if you want, now what is the current status of this stock? Now it has been reacting to this, the flag supplies at each level, and it has been slow and steadily moving upside. Now the stock has actually moved up almost all the resistance zones. If you move to monthly, yes, can you see that it has moved up of all the previous major resistances? Yes. All right, so now in daily, if you see that it has formed good inside candle, so these daily inside candles mean that the stock is consolidating at its upper end in lower time frames. It could be a possible compression. Can you see this, that in the 30 minutes time frame the stock is actually compressing? It is reacting to the same supply level at 1549, and again every low is being bought into. Can you see? It is nothing but it's a lower time frame VCP. Whenever you see inside candles in daily time frame, they actually relate to lower time frame VCPs or any other pattern consolidation or compression in lower time frame. So this area itself is a good buy in case of AMI Organics. Now also I see that there is an entry point, but the stop loss is slightly bigger here. All right, so you can plan your entries in any condition. All right, so any dip in AMI Organics or the current market price itself looks attractive to me for a move of up to 40 to 50 percentage at least from the current market price. The next stock in our list is Marathon Next Gen Reality. The price action of this stock is extremely impressive, my dear friends. It is really impressive. The momentum is extremely high in this stock compared to Galaxy Surfactants and AMI Organics. So now, why do I say the momentum is really good here? Let me explain. Can you see that the stock has been launched in October 2016, after which it was in an uptrend till 2018, then again completely came into a downtrend. It formed a nice rounding bottom, broke out of these levels, okay, and then again it has retested this level in June. Can you see the June month candle, my dear friends? What is the length of this candle in June and July? It is a whopping 91 percentage of move in just 2 months, June and July. Now let's break it down into weekly. Can you see that weekly the stock is actually moved 91 percentage? And can you see that? Look, always identify the depth of consolidation and the period of consolidation. So how much ever narrow the consolidation is and how much ever less the depth is, what I mean to say is the period of consolidation here. If you see, the period is only up to, like, say, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks. 10, only 10 weeks of consolidation. That is the period of consolidation. And if you look at the depth of consolidation, it is hardly a 14 percentage of consolidation. Even if you mark fib levels, it is very evident that it is hardly Fibonacci 23%, 0.236 levels. 0.236 and 0.382 levels Fibonacci are very highly bullish if the stock is reversing from these levels. The reason is that the institutions, the buyers are interested to buy the price even at such a high price. That is what is the takeaway. So always look for the period of consolidation and the depth of consolidation. Bigger bases are good, definitely they are good without a denial factor, but the bigger bases eventually move up and form smaller bases where tighter narrow compressions happen in weekly, post which the momentum really gets, very high in nature. The momentum gets very speed in nature. All right, so this stock is again nothing but it's a bullish pennant structure that has been formed. Okay, so it's exactly the length of the pennant will be the targets here. All right, so it is up to around 900 levels, odd levels, but to me the stock looks extremely bullish, and I am expecting a targets of even up to around 1000 rupees, which is nothing but a 50, 40 to 50 percentage of targets from this level in the short to mid term. Now this stock might move faster because it is in huge momentum compared to the previous stocks. Now let's analyze where could have been the potential entry points in daily. So in daily, do you see that the stock has formed a nice bull pennant? Can you see that the stock has reacted to multiple supply levels here where it has reacted in the past? So this could have been a potential entry point in the stock, where if you see that the stock has broken out, retested the support levels and has given a solid closing. Understand the price action of the candlesticks, my dear friends. The stock has opened gap up and closed well above the previous 4 days ranges, which itself means that it is highly bullish in nature. Again, after which it has taken support in the same area, and yesterday there has been a massive 8 percentage close. All right, so any dip in Marathon Next Gen Reality or the current market price with a good stop loss at around 586 to 602 levels can be looked upon for a targets of up to 40 to 50 percentage from the current market price. To summarize the technical analysis, what we have used to filter out these three stocks we have seen in this video are: number one, the stage of the stock, whether it's a fresh IPO based breakout or it has retraced from which level and it is moving up. Number two, the length of consolidation and the depth of consolidation. How many weeks the stock has been consolidating and to what level it has been consolidating from the top, and the relevant Fibonacci level. Always the length and depth of the consolidation makes a very drastic difference. The more the stock consolidates at its top level, that is at its Fibonacci 23% or 38%, higher the chances of very good rally when the previous swing high is crossed. That's all for this video, my dear friends. I hope you have taken away good learning points from this video. Let me make a point. I am not SEBI registered. Please contact your financial advisor before you make any positions in the market, as equity investments are always subject to market risk. In this, kindly comment in the comment section for any kinds of doubts and queries. Definitely, I'll get back to you. Thank you for choosing to watch this video, my dear friends.